Having birds nest under your solar panels can be a real headache. Their droppings and nesting materials can damage the panels, reduce efficiency, create fire hazards, spread disease, and just be an unsightly mess. That's why bird-proofing your solar panels is so important. Birds are naturally attracted to the warm, sheltered area under solar panels to build their nests. But this can lead to several major issues. Droppings can corrode wiring and panels, causing expensive damage. Nesting materials are a fire hazard, especially in hot climates. Droppings and feathers reduce the panel's energy output by blocking sunlight. The noise from nesting birds is a nuisance for homeowners. Bird droppings can spread over 60 diseases like salmonella. Clearly, preventing birds from nesting under your solar panels is crucial for protecting your investment and home. There are several effective methods for bird-proofing solar panels, first of which is solar panel bird mesh. One of the best solutions is installing a physical barrier like wire mesh or netting around the perimeter of the panels. This blocks birds from accessing the area underneath while still allowing airflow. The mesh is cut to size, bent to shape, and clipped or tied down tightly so no gaps are left for birds to squeeze through. Another method is to use bird spikes. Another low-cost deterrent is bird spikes. These plastic spike strips can be installed along the edges and surfaces that birds tend to perch on. The spikes are harmless but uncomfortable enough to discourage birds from landing. You can also install reflective mirrors. With a little bit of effort, these mirrors can work as excellent bird repellents. You just need to set them up in a way that makes it difficult for the birds to approach your PV panels. One effective solution is to install an automated bird repellent system near your solar panels. These use sound or light to scare birds away without causing them any harm. The systems can be programmed to activate at specific times or when motion is detected. Ideally, you should bird-proof your solar panels during the initial installation before any birds take up residence. This proactive approach is easier than trying to remove an existing nest. If birds have already moved in, it's best to have the nest safely removed by professionals and then install deterrents immediately to prevent them from returning. Many solar installers can handle bird-proofing as well, or you can hire a pest control company that specializes in humane bird deterrents. For those who want to know more about bird-proofing methods and DIY solutions, be sure to check out our comprehensive blog post on the topic. It covers everything from step-by-step instructions for making your own bird deterrents to reviews of the best solar panel mesh kits on the market. You'll find the link in the video description below.